Josh, let me know when you have your card. Josh, do you have your card?
Yes.
All right, put the extra ones in the box.
Extra ones are in the box.
In the bag, whatever that is. Now remember, hold it against your belly/chest. And I want you to begin emoting, Josh. Emote. Show us that face, Josh. Show us. I'm drawing it, Josh. I feel you. I feel you. I can't quit you either. I feel it. Okay. So far, I'm going to show you what I have so far. Josh, stop emoting. Okay, no, just stop. Here's what I have so far. Okay, now I'm going to try to, Josh, I need you to emote again. Emote, Josh. Emote. I'm feeling it, Josh. This is better than any carnival you've ever gone to, Josh. All right, Josh, stop emoting.
Done.
Josh, we're going to share our emotions right now. You ready?
Ready.
Let's see how well